Hi everyone, welcome back to Baizeed Rony Academy. In this short Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate average number of cells for your regions using average function in Excel. Let's get started. Here we can see I have two columns, region name and number of cells. For example, we have north, south, east and west region, and each has a different number of cells. Now I want to find the average cells across the cells number. Here I want to show the average cells. So here I will write the function equal average A V E G average A V E R A G E, and I'll give first bracket, and first of all this column, clone this column and bracket. Now I will give enter, and I can see the average is 123.5. Actually here if the cells 36, 50, 250 and 158, all the numbers will be add, and finally from 4 region, that is called 4, it will be divided. This is called average. Thank you very much. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share.